Well, here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade today. It's a very busy day on the earnings calendar. Lots of nifty 50 companies that are coming out with their numbers. We begin with Axis Bank, there's Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, as well as from the FMCG space, HUL that will be delivering its numbers. So it's going to be a very hectic day on the earnings calendar. All those stocks will be closely eyed, and those are only the nifty names. Meantime, ACC came out with its numbers and not a bad set. Margins expanded to 20.1% versus 18.8%. Revenue from operations though was lower, 2,600 crores versus 4,149 crores. The PAT at 268 crores was lower than 451 crores last year. CLSA maintains a buy on the stock with a target price at 1675, saying that Q2 had more hits than misses. The volume decline though was higher than estimates, but the investment thesis has been reinforced and they raised their EBITDA by 6%. Meantime, you had PVR, which dominated the bulk deals. In fact, with a lot of funds buying and selling into the counter. You had a whole host of them. So the likes of Garling Fund, which sold about 31 lakh shares. Multiples Private Equity Fund sold about 87,000 shares. And then you had buyers in the form of Nippon India Retirement Fund, Societe Generale, which bought about 25,600 shares, and Sundaram BNP Paribas Mutual Fund, which bought shares, and it was all in the price range of about 225 and 224 rupees per share. So this may be an active stock. Meantime, the telecom majors, Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea, will be in focus as the Supreme Court has reserved its order on the timeline for the staggered payment of the adjusted gross revenues, or the AGR, related dues by these telecom operators, which include massive sums of money to be doled out by Vodafone Idea, Bharti Airtel, as well as Tata Tele. And finally, Bombay Dyeing in focus, a loss of 129 crores versus a PAT performance of 27 crores. Revenue from operations as well in Q1 was quite disappointing at 91 crores versus about 648 crores.